This brand new tutorial video. Inside this video we have a one mobile phone. I think it's Samsung J7 Prime. I mean the screen is not working. We are gonna change that mobile phone screen. I mean before the video okay, let's get started. And right now I would like to set up that area, remove that panel, and I think it should be two panel in here, but it's stuck. Let's fix it. Yeah, like that. And of course, before taking that part, you have to unscrew the screw. Actually, I did it before the video. And okay, let's continue. Let's take off our old screen, actually like that. And this is the old screen. This is the not working. Actually, this screen is not working, but when you look to screen conditions, everything is fine. But if you look too closely, I mean, I don't know you can see or not, but there are some areas broken in here, for example. Yeah, that's why this screen is not working, and there is more that type of damage in here. But of course, before the plug in our new screen, we have to remove our battery first, and also we have to clean the screen box actually. Yeah, like that, using the isopropyl alcohol, we clean it, and after that, using our knife, we should be able to clean the old glue around that box. Yeah, like that. And also we are gonna plug into it our new screen using that B7000 glue. like here, like here. And as you can see, we have a one home button in here. We should be able to put more carefully, like here. And yes, we can put our new screen right now. Yeah, like that. Our battery, but before to plug into our battery, we should be able to put that panel firstly. Yeah, like that, and unscrew to screw we take off before. I mean, there are a lot of screws inside this phone. Yeah, as you can see, we unscrew the entire screws, our battery, and try to run it. Let's close the back panel. I'm pressing the power button, as you can see, and yes, our Samsung logo, Samsung Galaxy J7, and there is a number 6 in here, which means our phone is working. As you can see, the Samsung logo coming up, and I'm going to add some plastic in here. Yeah, like that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.